Children, now we will study the next chapter, that is force and laws of the motion. As you have already studied in the earlier class, in earlier chapter also we have studied about the motion of an object in a straight line in terms of position, velocity and acceleration, but till now we have not discussed about the cause of the motion. Cause of the motion, and when it the cause of the motion is always making the scientist and philosophers puzzled. And a ball on the ground have given a small hit does not move faster. Such observation suggests that rest is the natural state. Then after this belief is remained till until the Galileo Galilei and the Isaac Newton developed an entirely different approach to understand the motion. Some effort is required to put a stationary object into the motion, uh, or stop the moving object. We ordinarily we experience it is a muscular effort, push, pull or hit on the object to change its state of motion. Then the pushing, hitting and pulling of an object are all the ways to bringing the object in motion. They move because they make the force act on them. Thus, the force can be used to change the magnitude of velocity of an object or to change its direction of motion, and we can also apply the force can change the shape and size of the object. We can see in the picture one child is pushing the trolley, that is applying the muscular force, and ultimately that can push the trolley. And to open the drawer we have to apply a pull, that is also muscular force. And a girl that is hitting the ball can be start moving by applying the force. And in the next picture you can see when we apply force on a spring, its shape can change, and when we apply the force on the ball, then its shape also get changed. In our daily life we also see so many examples of changing of shape and change of motion. A ball coming from a uniform velocity, if we hit it in another direction, then we can also change its direction. We can squeeze the toothpaste, and that changes its shape. In this way, children, we can say that force can make an object move from rest, change the speed of a moving object, change the direction of the moving object, and bring a change in the size or shape